We live our lives daily to daily trying to get through, man. Life is hard, but one thing you never do is give up. No matter how hard they pressing on you, boy, never give up. Motivation is key, never give up. Gotta stay on it. Even though it's hard, you gotta get it high. They call me Boss Hogger, 1, 2, get on the grizzly line. My name is Big Mac, I like to spit them tracks, I like to rip it hard. You call me Kosher B, they call me Kosher Bali, cause I'm so comfortably. When I get on the track and start to rip, 1, 2, check it at me. You gotta stay motivated, huh? We gotta do better, we gotta do better. Get your head together, strap up on your boots, dawg. Put your plans together, get out and do you. Work hard for it, don't ever let them see you break, let them see you sweat. Keep pushing in the grind, you gotta struggle through daily on this thing, huh? We gotta drive through, turning like them pages of a book on this thing, huh? We call it life, huh? Some people struggle through it, some people float through it, but you gotta keep walking through, keep moving. You gotta push through it, get your best, dog. Never let them see you break, never let them see you sweat. Stay up on your grind, move through, huh? This that push through. We them overcomers. This life ain't gonna break us. Even though it may be hard, never gonna break us. We gon' keep trying, we gon' stay motivated, keep reaching for the stars on that daily high. We gon' keep that grind, we gon' keep it going, never sweating high. We gon' keep it real, stay up on the truth. We gon' be in it, we gon' push daily. We gon' keep that right mind of that motivation. We some overcomer, boy, who gon' stop us? Who gon' break your motivation in your mind, huh? Who gon' get into your heart until you can't do it? You inside your mind, keep yourself motivated, stay up on top, keep pushing through, huh? We ain't playing no game, we some overcomer, we gon' push through. I swear this life ain't gon' break us, huh? Ain't gon' break us, huh? It ain't gon' break me, huh? It ain't gon' break me, huh? Even though the time get rough, I'ma push through. Even though the time is hard, I'ma make it through. I got my motivation mindset, I'ma make it through. I'ma stay on it, you ain't gonna break me.